Introduction to the Data Utilization Report with Digi Remote Manager. Which devices are using the most data? This is a common question among technicians who are managing dozens of devices at once. To get to the Data Utilization Report, we would go up to Insights, Reports, and then Cellular Utilization, which is the first tab in the default view. This is showing you the amount of data utilized, sent and received by carrier, but you can also look at the utilization by modem, SIM, of course carrier, device type, firmware version, and group. Let's select device type, so you can drill down and see a clear picture of the data usage. For example, here we can see my EX15 is sending and receiving more data than my EX15W, my IX20, or my IX30. So let's switch back and see utilization by carrier. And here's where I can see that my EX15 has my public IP SIM in it. So we are sending and receiving more data because we happen to be on the public internet, not on a private network, which is why we saw so much more data being consumed by the EX15. We can break this down by the last 30 days, month to date, last 7 days, and then click Generate Report and it shows us some different values. The Data Utilization Report is a handy way to understand the cellular usage of your devices.